Hey everyone, it's Ari. How are y'all doing today? It's raining here in Kentucky. It's a miserable day, but it's spring. What else can you expect? Today I'm just going to give you a couple of tips, quick tips on how to set up your OBS Studio to get you better prepared to record. I usually record. I know many of you are streaming games, so this can work for you too. So let's get right in on it. The first thing I need you to do is hit the like button and also subscribe so you don't miss out any of my future videos where I can help you set up your studio, not only for OBS but VRoid, vMagic Mirror, and I will be changing my character right here. So I'll be showing you that program also. But let's get right into it. Today's tip, the first one, is if you have version 27.2.4. It doesn't work on any of the older versions, but the very first step I wanted to show you is how to hide your OBS Studio, which is the screen down here below. How to hide that while you're recording. And the first thing you need to do is go to Settings, which is right here on the lower right of your screen. Click on it. And right here under General, very last one in the first box, it says Hide OBS Windows from Screen Capture. And you click it. And then don't forget to hit Apply or it will not stick. You will lose it as soon as you go out. So I've recorded a video to see what happens. I'm not going to do it because I want to show you guys what I'm doing. And all it does is take this stuff down here away. So you have this one big screen up here. Okay, that was tip number one. I hope that helped you. The second tip to help you in your recording career is go again to Settings and go over here where it says Hotkeys. Click on it. And all of these are different things you can do shortcuts. You can enable your preview, stop your virtual camera, stop your replay buffer, pause and unpause recording. As you can see, the only two I have shortcuts for is start recording and stop recording. I've not done any of the others, but depending on how much you do in OBS Studio would determine how you set these up. And all you do is put in the key codes that you want to use. I am using the insert button for both of these, but you have the whole screen, your whole keyboard that you could use. Just set it in here. If you decide you don't like it, you can always delete it. And if you hit like Control, then you hit the plus sign, and then the second key might be Control Z or F, etc., etc., until you get the combination that you want. That's tip number two. I hope that helps you. And the third tip I want to show you today is how to arrange your studio down here. I don't know if you've known, but if you click on each one of these setups, you can stretch them or shrink them to your liking. You can do that to all of them. And I actually just set mine up just a little bit ago. And the audio, right click on it, and I've chosen the vertical layout. If you like that, all you gotta do is click it and it becomes vertical. And then you can also shrink it to take up less space. And then the same with your controls section here. You can also shrink and enlarge it. And those, my dear followers, are the 3 tips I'm going to give you today to help you set up your OBS Studio, clean it up, make it easier for you to do your recordings. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day and see you next time.